Hey everyone, and welcome back. I am Peter, your local real estate agent, and today we are jumping into a topic that may ruffle a few feathers. We are talking about renovation projects around the house that actually aren't adding as much value as you think, and in some cases are actually costing you money. So if you're thinking about selling your home in the next 2, 3, maybe 5 years, these are the updates to absolutely avoid. So it's time to put on your thick skin because we're gonna get real and talk about these updates. Now, the very first thing that I want to talk about is that backyard swimming pool. Now, on the surface, you may be thinking, of course, a swimming pool is gonna add value to my house 10 times out of 10. Well, that's just not the case. Number one, if you're thinking about putting in your own swimming pool, that is gonna be a very, very steep bill. Okay, now once the pool is already in, you still have all kinds of maintenance costs. So owning a swimming pool is definitely something that, you're just continually putting money into. Okay. Now, by all means, right, if you're in your home for the long haul and you want to have a swimming pool for your kids, for your family, for yourself, whoever it may be, by all means, go for the swimming pool. But do not expect that to be something that is putting money back into your pocket. Especially living here in Southern California, I would say majority, or at least close to the majority of homes are gonna have a backyard swimming pool. So it won't make your property that unique, and it's just not adding that much value to your home. Now, the other thing to consider about a backyard swimming pool is the safety hazard, right? So if you are raising a young family and you still have little ones who are learning to swim, you need to protect yourself and have that fence around the pool, make sure somebody is always out back when kids are out back. All that stress for you may not be worth it. I can think of a time looking for homes not too long ago, and we were walking through an open house that had a swimming pool literally 2 steps beyond a back door. So somebody could literally trip over the door jamb and fall straight into the pool. So as soon as we saw that, we were out of there and looking for the next property. Okay, next up on our list is excessive landscaping. You do not want to go overboard and dump a whole bunch of money into landscaping your house. Of course, you want your yard to be looking beautiful, but keep it practical, keep it rather simple, because you don't want potential home buyers arriving to your home and thinking, wow, this seems like a high maintenance headache, and start to wonder, how many hours per week am I going to need to be outside maintaining my yard? Or am I going to need to hire somebody to maintain my yard? So keep it rather simple. Do not go overboard on the landscaping. It is something that will definitely eat up your money. Okay, next up on our list is luxury upgrades in an otherwise modest neighborhood. Now think about the median home value in your neighborhood. Let's just say it's somewhere around $600,000. If you want to upgrade your kitchen, all of your bathrooms, and get nothing but the best appliances, let's say custom designed cabinets, the whole bit, how much money is that going to cost you? It's probably going to be rather steep. Now, will it add value to your home? Will your home look the best in terms of the kitchens and bathrooms in your neighborhood? I would say probably, but your home is still in the same neighborhood. The amount of money that you're putting into these upgrades will not be reflected in the overall value of your home. So if that's something you really want to do, by all means, go for it. But don't expect buyers down the road to be willing to pay for those kind of luxurious upgrades that you put in years before. Okay, next item on our list are these interior custom paint colors. Now, if you're anything like my wife, you may love going to Home Depot or Lowe's and thinking about all of the different color combinations and painting one room, a nice green, and then you turn the corner, another room is more of a yellow, and then you go into a bedroom and now we have pink and purple. Those kinds of colors may seem great to your eye, but it might put off buyers who are walking through an open house or walking through one of your showings. So just stick with the basics, go for something that's white or near white. It'll make everything look cleaner, a little bit brighter, and a little bit bigger, and appeals to the masses. Of course, new homeowners could paint the walls themselves, but you really don't want to put them off the very first time that they're walking through your home. So just stick to the basics, keep it white or near white. Okay, next up on our list is an over-the-top home theater or entertainment system. Now, you might like to indulge in the ultimate home movie viewing experience, or perhaps you love to invite over all of your buddies to watch the big game, and you've decided to invest a whole bunch of money into this particular home theater. By all means, if that's your thing, go for it. But you shouldn't expect buyers down the road to look at that and say, yes, absolutely, I will pay top dollar for that. Perhaps other buyers are thinking, wow, how much money has been put in here? And what else could we do with this space in this room instead of this? So like I said, if you want to feel like Tony Soprano and have your home theater, by all means, go for it. It just probably isn't a wise investment. Okay, if you've liked the video, please like and subscribe. If you want to learn about home renovation projects that are actually adding value to your home, then click on this video right here.